The first position is, by far, the most used position in cello. Essentially, you will have to learn how to place your fingers, also space your fingers. And tapes will afford you a quicker route to learning the spaces, not the places of the fingers. Now here I have marked already on the second string, the D string. I have the G, I have the F sharp, and I have the E. To save time, I've already marked them with the yellow tape. But to show you exactly how I did so, I will show you how to do the F natural, the second finger. Because if you have been watching videos on this channel, the second finger and thumb play an important role in being in tune when your fingers aren't on the fingerboard. So we place the tape not only on top, but also on the bottom as well. And because it's quite precise, even though you see a slight marking there, I will show you how I found that. It's an F natural. You take your tuner, place it on your stand, and use any nail on your hand. The longest one, even though you should have none. Here I'm going to be using the second finger nail and place exactly the exact location as to when you find the F natural. Hold it there and mark the intersection of the nail and the fingerboard. This is ebony wood and they can easily be erased. You're not damaging your instrument by using a pencil. The next step, we take our tape and pair of scissors and we slide the tape up along the back of the strings like this. It's important that we do that. And then have a nice length on both sides like this. And then lay it across. Now we have both sides long. Turn it around and make sure it is as straight as possible as you wrap one side completely around. With that set, you want to take the other piece and overlap. So you have a bit of a raised tape. And the reason for that is our thumb is going to be touching that. Et voila. We have the very first position we will learn. And the tapes are precisely placed. They're beautiful because you will learn the spaces of the fingers. You will learn the placement of the thumb and second finger. And do not feel ashamed of these tapes, for when they fall off, you may be ready to continue without them. With your first position tapes, you will be able to play many songs and with good intonation. Don't turn your head so much, but challenge yourself to look away and play the music that comes from your heart.